My message is simple, and it's a complaint about the Pro Wrestling Union office. I have become aware that the main event booked for Pro Wrestling Union Explosion, which will stream February 28th, the main event booked is champion Randy Wayne against challenger Dion Johnson. And that is an injustice, that is bull, and everybody in that office knows it. This is not 2012, and Dion Johnson should not be in the main event. And I can tell you why. Because the best wrestler in Pro Wrestling Union right now is Trans-South Wrestling heavyweight champion, Mr. Debonair Derek Driver. And I can truthfully tell you, he's the most talented, strongest, fastest, smartest wrestler in Pro Wrestling Union. But if you don't believe me, I have proof, because here is Derek Driver's Trans-South Wrestling Championship belt that represents what the best really is. So, if the promoters or the office does not want to admit the thousands of emails they've gotten from all the fans saying that Derek Driver's the best, see, they won't show you that. They won't tell you that. So what about Dion? It would be a shame if for some reason Dion couldn't fulfill his responsibilities. Tune in on February the 28th and find out who the real man is gonna be.